is the Lenderblock podcast.
You already know, every single Saturday we're here. Most Saturdays, we kind of switched up a little bit. The Lenderblock Corporation, you already know, is a software development firm. We build two apps. We manage two apps and operate two apps. The first one's called the Blender platform. Blender allows you to create your own credit lines as a borrower, choosing your own interest rate, minimum monthly payment. You can put out these credit lines on the dashboard where other members can choose to lend to them to earn interest compounding payments. So it's peer-to-peer lending in a group format where multiple lenders are pooling funds into one borrower's credit line, and we can have around 4 different borrowers with uniquely owned accounts with credit lines on the app right now. So we're encouraging everyone to go create a credit line on the Blender platform. That's what we're offering, and we want you guys to take advantage of it. The next app is called the Partner Platform. The Partner Platform allows you to do something that we call a partnership. You can create a partnership where you're inviting people that you know to a group, and then the manager, the inviter, will set the terms of that partnership. The inviter, the manager, will set the contribution that each member will contribute, the frequency of the contributions, and then the amount of turns each member will have to withdraw. Basically, the partnership is like you're all pooling money together and receiving rotational turns to withdraw the sum of the pool. The two apps, Blender and Partnered, are not creations. So they're more so like innovations of existing human interaction. So like sort of like community type of enrichment that we always seek to provide software to enable.